Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make a DIY car photo booth for a safari themed birthday party. I made this for my daughter's birthday and here's the tutorial. First of all, you need to cut the cardboard in these different shapes as shown and color them as shown in the picture. Here are the measurements as per how you need to cut the cardboard in different shapes. I've painted all of this using acrylic colors except for the lights. I've wrapped them with aluminium foil to give a shiny look. Once you're done cutting the cardboard in different shapes and painting them, here's what you need to do. Take the green cutout which forms the body of the car. Paste the lights in the position shown using glue gun. Now paste this brown and yellow rectangular shape as shown. The distance should be 4 inch. Refer to the image. Paste the mirrors and the steering accordingly. Paste this long brown rectangular shape towards the end of the car as shown. Now you need to paste the tires. Refer to this picture. When you stick the tires, the green curve of the car and the top edge of the tire should be in the same level and the distance from the side should be only 2 inch. Paste it accordingly. Stick the grass at the bottom as shown. You can also make a nameplate kind board and mention, just like how I've mentioned Kiara Safari, you can write the birthday child's name and mention it accordingly. And here we have our DIY safari car booth ready. Hope you liked my video. Hope this tutorial was helpful. Thanks for watching. Please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you.